Hey there, fellow knitters. If you're serious about knitting, one of the most important tools you can have in your toolkit isn't just needles or stitch markers. It's a scale. In this video, I'll share why a simple digital scale can make all the difference in your knitting projects, from yarn management to pattern accuracy. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about how a scale helps with measuring yarn. Many patterns give you yarn requirements by weight, not just length. By weighing your yarn before and after knitting a swatch or section, you can estimate how much you'll need for your entire project, preventing frustrating yarn shortages. A scale is also essential when you need to split a skein evenly. Whether you're knitting socks, mittens, or a two-colored project, you can weigh your skein and divide it into two equal portions, ensuring both pieces match perfectly. Ever wonder how much yarn you have left after finishing a project? Weighing your leftovers lets you know exactly how many grams are remaining, helping you decide if you have enough for one small project or need to combine it with other scraps. When substituting yarn, weight matters just as much as gauge. If the recommended yarn in a pattern is 50 grams for 100 meters, but your yarn is heavier or lighter, a scale helps you calculate how much you actually need to avoid running short or ending up with too much. So if you don't already have a digital scale in your knitting toolkit, now's the time to get one. It's a game changer for accuracy, efficiency, and reducing yarn waste. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more knitting tips and tricks. Happy knitting!